Hello and welcome to the How Do I Find Financial Transaction Level Detail for a Fund video. Let's get started. From the My Research landing page, click on any fund number listed. From the page that opens, click on either the Available Balance or the View Financial Details button to view related financial summary information. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Available Balance. The fund's current expenses for the year, that is, May to the current date, are displayed in this new screen. To specify a date range, click on the drop-down arrow button in the Period field. Choose Date Range, and select the beginning and end months for the desired date range. I'm going to go ahead and change it back to the current year. To view all transactions in the fund within the current month, click on the Month Actual column head. We are now viewing all transactions in a fund for the current month or fiscal year. Transactions are automatically sorted by account code in this column. To resort the transactions, click on a column header for which a sort is desired. In this case, I'm going to click on the Transaction Date header. To reverse the sort order, click on the column header a second time. Go back by pressing the back arrow in the browser. To view all transactions in the fund within the current fiscal year, so that is May to the present date, click on the Year-to-Date Actual column header. Researchers often find the information under Transaction Date and Document the most useful. The transaction date is the date that the expense was charged to the fund. The letter or letters preceding the numbers in the Document column tell us something about the transaction. For example, under Document, all of the document numbers begin with an F. This is information that has been fed into My Research from Banner. We call it a Banner feed. Some other document numbers that you might run across. If the document number begins with an E, it was submitted through eShop. If it begins with an FJ, it was a fast journal entry. If it begins with a PC, it was a transaction on a purchasing card. If it begins with a TR, it was submitted through the travel and expense system. To return to the previous screen, I'm going to use the back arrow in my browser. To view all transactions within the fund for a specific account, click on the amount next to the account code under either Month Actual or Year to Date. The screen that opens up will show all of the transactions in that account. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please email any feedback to fax@carleton.ca.